everyone, welcome back to Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. You know where to find it. This probably isn't your first YouTube video. If you've already subscribed, please like and share, and of course comment below. And today what we're going to do is make a staple of the kitchen called Sofrito. Now in Italian, Sofrito means slow fried. But we're not going to be frying anything today or cooking anything in oil. The French would call this mirepoix, and they would do it in butter. I am going to make a Caribbean/Jamaican version of Sofrito, so it's a little bit more spicy. And what I'm going to use this to do, I'm going to have some leftover chicken that I'm going to be preparing. So I'm going to shred that, and I'm going to use the Sofrito in there, and I'm also going to add it to rice on videos that you will see later. This is a very easy, very low skill level, entry level, and it'll uplift any dish. So pretty much we're going to start with one of these guys. Red bell pepper. You could use green, you could use yellow. You can mix the colors up if you want. Sometimes I like to use all green because of the other ingredients. It meshes real well, but I like this. Red bell pepper. We're going to quarter this guy. We're also going to use a mini bell pepper. Just kidding, this is a habanero. You could also use Scotch bonnet. Make sure that you have plastic gloves. You don't want to get this in your nose, eyes, ears, throat, or anywhere else. So a little bit spicy. Actually a lot bit spicy. This is a pretty good habanero. You see it's red. This guy is going to be potent, so we'll show you what to do with that. We got a couple of cloves of garlic. I have a big one and a smaller one. You can use too large, too small, whatever it is that you want to do. I like a fair amount of garlic, and an onion. This is a really nice Spanish/sweet onion. You could also use yellow onions. Don't use white, they're a little bit too abrasive. But that's it. Those are our ingredients, and actually no, I'm sorry. I forgot one of the stars of the dish. Cilantro. I have some fresh cilantro here. We're going to stem it and chop it, which means basically we're going to take these little leaves off of the stem, chop them up coarsely, and it's going to be a really, really robust flavor that we're going to get out of these ingredients. And again, anything that's bland you could add the Sofrito to and really take it to the next level, especially leftovers. If you bring home like fajitas or something from a local Tex-Mex restaurant, Sofrito is a great way to up that past what they served you in the restaurant. So let's go ahead and let's get started. This is quick and easy. I think you're gonna like this. So that's it. This is really super easy to put together. And what we'll do is we'll coat chicken or grouper or beef or something else and then cook it on there. What's nice is you could do this like we're doing it in advance and refrigerate it and keep it. But we need to get a taste of this. And I know it's going to be spicy. As soon as I opened up that food processor, I felt the onions and everything else just hitting me right in the eyes, which lets us know it's fresh and it's good. And here it is. I scooped a little bit out. Now I've been advised against doing this on camera. I have not tasted this yet, so here we go. It's very spicy, but you can get a little bit of the texture. Got a nice slow burn working its way from like the middle to the back of my mouth. And yep, now it's in my throat. It's nice. It's not overbearing, but it is spicy. This might actually go great with as a salsa almost without even having to cook it. I would use, you know, some nice salty tortilla chips and spoon away, but it's going to be hot. This is good stuff, and it was super easy. You know, if you're really spice adverse and you don't want to use a Scotch bonnet or a habanero, you can use a serrano or a jalapeno, but I think this is the way to go. And plus, like, it looked beautiful. Just the red in the of the pepper and the green of the cilantro just mixed up so nice. And you know, again, this will take any dish you have, whether it's leftover or fresh, and take it up to the next level. So until next time, when we get a chance to incorporate this into our chicken and rice, we'll be looking forward to seeing you again soon. Don't forget to like and share the video. We'll also have some sweet stuff on the way. Today we didn't use any flour, eggs, or yeast, but we're going to soon.